So now on a serious note, like without joking around and stuff like that, because I want in my head, I just want to create jokes and just be funny. But on a serious note, I just want to create videos while I'm learning um, on my channel with all the learning paths on TryHackMe. Yeah, that's basically it. Without fancy words, without fancy stuff. That's basically it. Do all learning paths, record yourself, share with everyone. Before we do anything else, I just want to open a YouTube channel, a YouTube video with some music on the background, and I think I just found it. Okay. There you go. Some music for your heart. What the hell is going on with this audio? Okay, I think we're good. One more thing that I have to do before we kick this off. Let's make sure that I have my notes opened up and my audio is working well. Alright, the recording is on. And we can go. Alright. Okay. Okie snoky. Alright, so let's begin from the very beginning, let's say. Most relevant, it's Introduction to Cybersecurity and Complete Beginner. But for the sake of this, let's say, video journey or TryHackMe journey or learning path journey, let's do it from the Complete Beginner, assuming that, let's say, we are all complete beginners in cybersecurity. All right. Let's say. All right, the complete beginner. The beginner path aims to give a broad introduction to the different areas in computer security. This path will be looking at the following areas: basic Linux, web application security, network security, scripting challenges, privilege escalation. Once you completed the beginner path, users have learned the fundamental knowledge for each specific area and use those core concepts to build your understanding of more complex topics within the area. Prerequisites: you need a basic understanding of fundamental computing principles and broad understanding of the different areas of cybersecurity to complete this pathway. If you do not already have these prerequisites, complete prerequisite pre-security pathway and intro to cybersecurity pathway. I wanted to check also the introduction to cybersecurity. There is also no prerequisite for it. Okay, then that being said, I think we'll change a bit our initial plan, just because, as I said, I want to have let's say a beginner point of view in this thing, and for the complete beginner we have some prerequisites. Then we'll go for pre-security. All right, let's start. It's 40 hours. Learning paths that TryHackMe has until now are only easy and intermediate difficulty. Let's start this learning path. Pre-security. This learning path will teach you the prerequisite technical knowledge to get started in cybersecurity. To attack or defend any technology, you have to first learn how this technology works. The pre-security learning path is a beginner-friendly and fun way to learn the basics. Your cybersecurity learning journey starts here. Whoa, let's start then. All right, let me open again the notes and I think we're good. Intro to offensive security, hacking your first machine and careers in cybersecurity. In short, offensive security is the process of breaking into computer systems, exploiting software bugs, and finding loopholes in applications to gain unauthorized access to them. To beat a hacker, you need to behave like a hacker, finding vulnerabilities and recommending patches before a cybercriminal does, as you'll do in this room. On the flip side, there is also defensive security, which is the process of protecting an organization's network and computer systems by analyzing and securing any potential digital threat. Learn more in Digital Forensics Room. In a defensive cyber role, you could be investigating infected computers or devices to understand how it was hacked, tracking down cyber criminals, or monitoring infrastructure for malicious activities. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, don't you think? Pretty cool. So basically red teaming, offensive security team, blue team, defensive security. On red teaming, offensive security, basically you break into computers and exploit software bugs. You just exploit vulnerabilities in order to gain information that you were not supposed to, and in blue you just prevent that, basically. All right. Which of the following options better represents the process where you simulate a hacker's actions to find vulnerabilities in a system? Offensive security and defensive security. I will say offensive security. Boom! Whoop whoop! Your answer is correct. You started a streak. Keep it going for 6 days for a badge. Thank you.